Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable fall Halloween centerpiece. What you will need, I have Chanel stems and I chose to go with orange, a smaller wreath ring, and then I have white, green, and orange ribbon. You will also need scissors and the mini Bowdabra bow maker. Also a mason jar, or whatever type of glass you'd like to use for your centerpiece. Alright, let's get started. I have cut my orange, white, and green ribbon into 8-inch long pieces. And I have cut my Chanel stems in half. So I'm going to use the mini Bowdabra and place my half of a Chanel stem in the center of my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my first piece of ribbon, I chose the orange, fold it in half to find the center, and scrunch. Fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. I'm going to repeat this step with the white and green ribbon. Fold in half to find the center, scrunch, fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Once you have your bundle in place, scrunch it all together. So I think I'm just going to go with 3 colors, one of each. One green, white, and orange. But you can go with as many or as few as you'd like. Once you have it all in place, scrunch it all together. Take your Chanel stem, crisscross it, and crisscross it once again, then remove it from your Bowdabra. And then twist it again at the back of your bundle, just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then you can just adjust and maneuver your ribbon. I like to crisscross just to make sure all of the colors are visible, just like that. Alright, I'm going to make another bundle, but I want to alternate which colors I have on top. Just because I think that makes a fun and more colorful centerpiece, but if you prefer to have the same color combination, you can definitely do that. So I'm going to repeat the same steps, just alternating out the different colors. Alright, so once I have all of my bundles made, I'm going to start placing them on my smaller wreath form. So I'm going to take my first bundle and twist it on the outer 2 rings, just like that. And I prefer to alternate outer 2, inner 2, outer 2, inner 2. So that's the first bundle. It looks so cute and precious. Next bundle. And again, I like to get the different bundles that have the different colors on top so that I don't have 2 of the same color right beside each other. So I'm going to take the next bundle and place it on the inner 2 rings. And I'm going to go with about 5 or 6 bundles for each of my 3 sections. It just depends on how poofy and fluffy you'd like for your centerpiece to be. You can definitely go with more or less. It's completely up to you. And then once you place it, you can adjust and maneuver it. The more we get in place, the easier it will be to maneuver it. So I'm going to get the first section completed and show you what it's looking like. Alright, this is what one section looks like. It's so cute and precious. And this is what the back looks like. As you can see, I alternated inner 2, outer 2, inner 2, outer 2, all the way around the ring. Now, if you want a larger centerpiece, you can use only the outer ring, or if you have a wider bowl you want to put in the center, then you can use only the outer ring. It's completely up to you. Alright, let's get the rest of these bundles placed and show you the finished product. Alright, once you have all of your bundles in place, you can maneuver and adjust and make sure it looks cute and precious. It's so adorable. And I'm going to place a mason jar in the center, but you can use whatever you'd like to use for the center. And I think this will be perfect for candy, or you can even add flowers, whatever you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's such a cute and simple idea. It makes an adorable centerpiece for any table or party. You can even use it as a candy jar and add candy to your center. Change up the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you'd like, whatever you prefer. So cute and simple to make.